First and
Hold on. Keep your clothes on. I mean, be quiet. I'm sorry. Hold on for a minute now. I'm sorry. Sir.
So I have to interject. Edwin's always been a good boyfriend to Jessica, very generous. He always paid for her, took her out many times when I was there when it happened.
I got one question for you. After that report, did you all continue in the relationship?
Just go.
Huh?
No.
Really?
I mean, for a little while, and then it just got worse and worse and worse, and eventually...
He
had a hard time believing
it gets worse than that?
Well, just between us, because I got in fights with my friends over almost...
No, I'm saying with you and her.
Yeah, the
We were
relationship...
together.
We were together after
We
that.
stayed together.
He didn't believe us.
I didn't believe my
You
friends.
didn't believe
because
him.
it didn't
Okay.
happen.
Oh, she says it didn't happen. Go ahead,
It's
man.
not
Redeem
happening.
yourself from all these terrible allegations.
First and foremost,
I'm sure you weren't on no website stripping.
No, we are
Right.
here because him and I were supposed to be married.
No, I'm talking about that
And
website
he's
first.
just pissed off.
No, I'm talking about
Let
that
me tell
website.
you.
Huh?
That's fine. My roommate, yes, was on a porn website. Yes, she would
And you
chat,
did
and I
it
would
with
sit
her?
in there and keep her company because it was in our house. She was my roommate. I would sit in there and keep her
Oh,
company.
you were just sitting there keeping her company.
He never saw me on there. I never took
Your
my
Honor,
clothes off.
I went online and
never
saw it
happened.
myself.
My turn. And secondly, the man sitting
She
right
said
here.
she wasn't on there herself. She
Hey,
said she was
was
only on
not.
there
You can
to
look
sit
in the-
there next to her friend and keep her company while her friend took her clothes off.
No.
You can look at that in the archives on the website. She'll
She
still
did
be
not
there.
get naked on that website.
Oh, she didn't
No.
take any clothes off.
She took her top off. Yes,
That's what we're talking
behind
about.
the screen.
Now you're hurting your credibility. All right, you know what we're talking about, ma'am. Taking your clothes off, period.
Yes,
whether
she
she
did.
was butt naked or whether she just took her top off. The
Yes.
issue is
I was never on the
porno
site.
site,
I
ma'am.
was never on
The
the
issue is porno site.
Yes.
Your friend was on a
Yes.
porno site.
Correct.
And you just sat there next to her.
Well,
Gotcha.
Your Honor, this is typical. My girlfriend was friends with Jessica for a year and a half. They're no longer friends because of all the lies that went on between
oh,
them.
really?
Gotcha.
Really?
Go ahead, ma'am.
Secondly, this man and his girlfriend at the time, my best friend, were telling me to
The
break
witness?
up with
No,
him.
you actually tried to break us
The
up a
witness
couple
was
times.
what?
Was telling me to break up with him because we used to go out. He would call me the B word in public, totally put me down. At one time, he picked me up by my shoulders and threw me across the room. We broke
Your
up
Honor,
because, Your
no
Honor,
way.
he was a drug dealer.
Oh.
He dealt ecstasy to our friends and,
Your Honor,
and put my
Let her
friends
finish, sir.
and
What?
put my friends in rehabilitation. I have testimony to that.
Let me see. You have witness statements saying
Yes.
he was an ecstasy dealer?
Yes.
What do you have to say about that, sir?
By that kind of money, I wouldn't be in court sooner.
How do you think
$35.
you
You
gave
deny it
me
or
money?
not?
I deny it.
That is the honest to God truth. I broke up with him because I found wads of money in his closet, and Chris knows about it too.
Completely false.
Sir?
She had wads of money. Why didn't she take it and buy her car?
Why did you all break up then?
Because she cheated on me, because she constantly lied.
He
I mean,
says
it's
he was still
horrible.
with me then.
She was supposed to be going to school the whole time
When
I
did
was
you
there.
loan her this $3,000 that you're suing her for today?
The original charge was at Family Honda.
When?
7/19/2001.
When did you all break up?
New
February
Year's
02.
2002. No, before
February 02, I moved out.
Okay. What was the agreement then on repayment?
That she was going to. Well, she had no job. She's been in and out of jobs for the last 3 years.
He lived with me for 6 months for free. No rent, no bills, no anything. Talk about not having a job. And I paid for everything. So when the time came to pay him back, I paid him back the difference of $850 of what he
never
owed me
paid
as
a dime.
opposed to that.
Owed you for
I
what,
have.
ma'am?
He owed me for living with me for free for
Okay,
6
but your
months.
counterclaim today is for $2,500.
$2,500.
How can you say that if you've already deducted it
I
from the
haven't.
money you owe him?
Because
she's
I'm
a liar?
trying. No, because if I'm going to pay him $3,500, then I need my $2,500 back. And
No, then all you do is come in here and defend yourself against what he's saying. You don't make up a lawsuit that isn't true.
We'll be right back. More Judge Mathis Throwback when we return. He lays down the law.
He was in a car accident in my vehicle.
Please tell me he wasn't drinking.
Every weekday,
Prove that it happened.
Judge Mathis.